Hi everyone, I'm Tammy from Sitemate. Performing and recording plant and equipment servicing in the field can be challenging, often involving outdated carbon copy sheets and double handling of data, leading to reduced efficiency and delays in record availability. Dashpivot streamlines your field service reports and processes by capturing detailed field service records that are immediately viewable online or as a professional PDF reports. So in this video, I'll show you what the field service reporting process looks like on Dashpivot. In Dashpivot, you can create a field service report template entirely from scratch or choose from our public template library, which offers many ready-to-use templates. I'll run a search at the top here for field service report specifically, and as you can see, we already have one available. So you can preview this format before adding it to your workspace, keeping in mind that everything that you currently see here is fully customizable once added. Digital reports is easily created. Our standard field service report template includes a date field for the visit date, various text fields for project information, pre-filled tables for equipment and technician information, and a couple more text boxes for the report itself. We also have an add photo section here for photos and videos, a couple of yes and no questions for functionality tests, more text boxes for notes and issues, and result tables. Then towards the end, we have a sign-off section. Let's put in some example data just at the top here and save the form. Once saved, the report will be shown in a timeline view sorted by date like this. All of these reports are then automatically compiled into a register where information from all forms can be viewed in a table format like this. You can use filters at the top to sort out relevant data and then select to export these data as CSV or PDF. Editing the template format is easy. Dashpivot features a user-friendly drag and drop system for the template builder, allowing you to format your template to best suit your needs. There are many different types of fields available on the left panel here. You can simply drag in the fields, label them accordingly, and rearrange as needed. Next up, we have the list module, which can be used as a database with various properties. For example, you might choose to have a list for your assets or plant and vehicle here. Let's look at the plant and vehicle list, where you can have all relevant information like this. You can also use an expiry date list property to note down specific date. With this, you can set up notification for when a certain date is approaching or when it's overdue. Handy for things like registration expiry, license expiry, as well as service due. All of these lists that you can see here can be linked and used in your template format as a drop-down list or multiple choice list so that you don't have to type certain information over and over again. Photos are crucial for field service reports because they provide visual documentation of the condition of equipment, parts used, and work performed. These can be found in the Photos tab within your team folders, as well as on the field service reports. Photo tags here can be created within your folders and applied for easy filtering when looking for specific images. GPS locations can also be captured when photos are taken through the Dashpivot mobile app. It will be displayed on the left-hand panel here if you had enabled the settings on your mobile device. Now, if you need your external parties to sign off on your document, like the customer, or for anyone to be able to view these photos, they can be added to your workspace in the user section under the visitors tab. With this, you can control their permissions and access just like how you would for your internal team. Reports can be created and submitted using our Dashpivot mobile and tablet app out on site. Forms are organized in a timeline just like on the web access. You can continue with the existing report or start a new one using that plus icon. Photos can then be taken directly on the app, or you can choose from the pre-existing photos from your device gallery. Once taken or uploaded, you'll be able to mark up these photos to highlight or annotate details, as well as adding description and apply tags for easy filtering later on, as we saw on the web access. Photo stamps can also be enabled to display metadata such as date, time of the photo, description, workspace name, and more. As you can see on the bottom left corner here, I have the date and time, the Dashpivot workspace name, and the folder name stamped. You can adjust this in your app settings. If you scroll down further, you'll be able to see the location. Again, if you have enabled the location settings here, you'll be able to see a map, which is also viewable on the web access. Once completed with the reports and you need to share a copy of this document with others right away, you don't have to go to your computer to export it. Instead, click on that three-dot icon and you can send this report as a PDF file to an email directly from Dashpivot app. The app works offline and is available on both iOS and Android devices, making this process even more accessible for all personnel involved. Dashpivot can be used for many other use cases, and data can be synced to external tools such as SharePoint, Excel, and Power BI using our integration product FlowSite. With this, you can seamlessly transfer your field service reports data from Dashpivot to your preferred data storage, analytics, or any other tools. You can try Dashpivot for field service reports today using our sign up link and let us know what you think. Thanks for watching.